Why does polling rate matter for gaming mechanical keyboards? Have you ever wondered why some gamers swear by their mechanical keyboards while others are still using standard ones? One key factor that sets them apart is polling rate. Polling rate refers to how often a keyboard sends information about key presses to the computer, measured in Hertz. For example, a 1000 Hertz polling rate means the keyboard reports key presses 1000 times per second, or every 1 millisecond. This frequency directly affects how quickly your computer registers your inputs during gaming. In the world of gaming, especially in competitive or fast-paced titles, a higher polling rate is essential. It reduces input latency, which is the delay between pressing a key and the game recognizing that action. Lower latency means your commands, like moving with the W, A, S, and D keys or executing quick actions like throwing grenades, happen almost instantly on screen. This responsiveness can give you a real edge by allowing faster reaction times and more precise control. Higher polling rates also improve consistency and reduce the chance of missed inputs. When the keyboard reports key presses more frequently, there is less risk of missing a keystroke because it was pressed between polling intervals. This is especially important in games that requiring rapid, repeated key presses or complex combos, where every millisecond counts. Common polling rates for gaming mechanical keyboards start at 1000 Hertz, which is the standard for competitive gaming, providing a 1 millisecond response time. Some advanced keyboards now support even higher polling rates, such as for 1000 Hertz or 8000 Hertz, which further lower input delay to fractions of a millisecond. However, extremely high polling rates may increase system resource usage and power consumption. This is usually not a problem for modern gaming personal computers but can be a consideration for wireless keyboards or older systems. Polling rate matters for gaming mechanical keyboards because it directly influences input latency, responsiveness, and accuracy. A higher polling rate ensures your key presses are registered quickly and reliably, giving you smoother and more precise control over your in-game actions. So, if you are serious about gaming, investing in a mechanical keyboard with a high polling rate might just be the upgrade you need.